stalactites and stalagmites as indicator of climate change. The formation of stalactites and stalagmites are evidence indicator of the climate change and occurred in the past. They are formed by water dripping through the cracks in the ceiling of the caves, which dissolve the calcium carbonate. When part of the water evaporates, the calcite fragment sticks in the ceiling. Little by little, they accumulate until stalactites are formed.
The same thing happens on the floor, and then they are called stalagmites. Stalactites and stalagmites can join together to form columns. Their formation is a very slow process, requiring between 100 or 150 years for 2.5 centimeters of rock.
In their long process of formation, they record very first information that allows us to know aspects of the past. Stalactites and stalagmites are formed at diverse speeds, depending on the contribution of water, humidity, and temperature. So their genesis is conditioned by environmental factors related to climate.
In addition, uranium is dissolved in the water that drips into the stalactites and stalagmites. By analyzing the amount of it present, the age of formation of this material can be determined.
Tools and materials: about 14 centimeters of wool yarn, a pitcher, 2 glasses, a flat dish, some paper clips and a spoon, copper sulfate.
Pour 2 glasses of water into the pitcher. And add copper sulfate. Stir until a thin liquid is formed. Fill the 2 glasses with this liquid. And place them on the table, about 20 centimeters away from each other.
Tie a pair of paper clips which will act as a plumb line to the two ends of the thread. Drop one end into each cup so that the string hangs down. And wait a few days. This experiment requires patience. Explanation: the thin liquid that you prepare will be climbing from the glasses to the thread. In the center, it will start to drip, forming crystals. The ones that hang down are called stalactites. The ones that rise from the surface and take a little longer to form are called stalagmites. The water in the solution evaporates slowly, forming the salt crystals.
Conclusion: Speleothems originate from water dripping from the ceiling of the cavity. The shape and size of the stalagmites and stalactites depends on many factors: distance from the drip point, drip flow rate, amount of bicarbonate in solution. They store a record of their chemical composition, which represent a fabulous archive of the past climates and environments.
The reaction that takes place is one of dissolution precipitation. Its study allows us to know the climate variation through the Earth's history, which will allow us to reconstruct the past and deduce the existence of general trends in present and future climatic behavior.